I've trained early, late, and in the middle of the day. And here's what I've learned. Morning lifts, you're fresh, there's no distractions, and it sets the tone for the day. But waking up in the morning can be a pain in the ass, especially if you're low on sleep. Midday sessions are a quick escape from the grind. It can break up the day, but it's rushed, the gym's packed, and you're often squeezed for time. Evening workouts, you're fully fueled, more flexible with time, but long days make motivation harder and make it easier to skip. I like to come to the gym at the end of the day because it helps me clear my mind. But honestly, it's whatever you can be consistent with, because consistency is the price you pay to get the body that you want. Share with a friend. Hope this helps.